Welcome to this video on the Bulgarian Lev, exploring a history of national currency from 1881 to 2025. The name Lev means lion, originating from the Dutch thaler, which inspired currencies across Eastern Europe, including the Romanian leu and the Moldovan leu. The Lev's history is structured into 4 distinct ages, marking 140 years of transformation. These are the first, second, third, and fourth Lev. The first Lev was born in 1881, initially backed by gold and silver and having an equal value to the French franc. War caused the value to change. Over time, the first Lev shifted its peg to other currencies, including the German Reichsmark, Soviet ruble, and US dollar. The second Lev, from 1952 to 1962, represented a post-war reset, with a currency reform where 100 old leva were exchanged for 1 new Lev. The third Lev, from 1962 to 1999, spanned the communist era. Another redenomination set 10 old leva, equal to 1 new Lev, with an official peg of 1.17 leva to 1 United States dollar. Banknotes from the communist era often featured political propaganda, displaying leaders like Georgy Dimitrov and communist symbols such as the hammer and sickle. The fall of communism led to a crash and hyperinflation. In 1997, a currency board was established, setting 1,000 leva equal to 1 Deutsche Mark. The fourth Lev, from 1999 to 2025, brought stability and modernity. A final redenomination meant 1,000 old leva became 1 new Lev, pegged to the euro. Modern Bulgarian coins often feature national symbols like the Madara rider, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, representing a return to ancient roots. Throughout its evolution, the Lev has shifted its global peg and key metals, from gold and silver in the first Lev to the bimetallic composition of the fourth Lev. The history of the Lev is reaching its final chapter, as Bulgaria is set to enter the Eurozone on January 1, 2026. The coins and banknotes tell a numismatic legacy, placing the history of Bulgaria right in your hands. Though the currency is changing, the spirit of the Bulgarian Lev, the lion, will roar forever in the nation's history.